What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and next to me we have a 2022 Ford Bronco. Now, this video is going to be considered episode 1 of our Bronco Build series for our customer. Now, the reason being is we have an extensive list of things that are going to be going on to this build. Now, what we're going to be doing in episode 1, this video right now, is going to be sending the Bronco off to our good friend over at Gino's, where they're going to do a paint to match with the ADV fiberglass 5-inch wide fenders. Now, I don't want to give away all the fun secrets as to what we are going to be doing to this build, but I promise you guys it is going to be well worth it with every episode. We're going to be doing lighting, we're going to be doing performance parts, we're going to be getting some new shoes. As you already know, we're going wider with this Bronco. So please stay tuned to all the episodes, and we'll be right back once this Bronco is done over at Gino's. Well, guys, the Bronco is back from the body shop, and Gino's absolutely smacked it out of the park with this. The fenders are looking absolutely pristine with how well they color matched everything. And now that the Bronco is back, it is really time to start wrenching and really show the full transformation, because this is just the tip of the iceberg. But this is the end of episode 1 of our Bronco build here. So make sure to stay tuned for episode 2, where a lot more of the transformation is gonna go down.